I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and a brave warrior. His full name is Shivaji Shahaji Bhosle. He was born on 19 February at Shivneri Fort. His father name was Shahaji Bhosle and mother name was Jizabai.
My name is Chitrakan, but today I am going to speak about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was a great king and warrior. He was born February 1974. एक great he and establishing the Maratha. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki
Jai.
My name is Meena Sunday. Respected teachers, all my friends.
Today
Today I am going to speak Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the great king. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great Indian rules.
आणि दिले बघावचन अधिकारी लग्न कोणाचे नंतरच लग्न रायाचे ह्यावे तुम्ही एवढे आमचे नाही प्रणाम केला राजाला प्रणाम केला राजाला
अजून
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
जय.
छत्रपती शिवबाचे चरण स्पर्शुनी जगदंबा मातेची शपथ घेऊनी छत्रपती शिव